Michael Burry may be quietly saying, I told you so, as new data and fresh competitive threats put Tesla back under the microscope. Tesla has been actively trending after NVIDIA unveiled a powerful new autonomous vehicle platform, a move that could significantly raise the stakes in the race towards self driving technology. For years, Tesla bulls have argued the company holds a decisive lead in full self driving, FSD. But with NVIDIA deepening its automotive push and more automakers plugging into its AI ecosystem, investors are once again questioning how durable Tesla's competitive moat really is. The debate is landing at a particularly sensitive time. Reports continue to surface about softening Tesla sales across multiple markets, raising fresh doubts about whether the company can maintain growth while defending margins. Those concerns were amplified by new registration figures from Germany's Federal Motor Transport Authority. In December, Chinese EV maker BYD registered more than twice as many new vehicles as Tesla, marking a symbolic tipping point in Europe's largest EV market. Even more striking, BYD's full year registrations in Germany surged eightfold to 23,306 units, while Tesla's fell nearly 50% to 19,390 over the same period. That trend hints at mounting pressure on Tesla as the competitive landscape widens, not just from legacy automakers, but from Chinese manufacturers aggressively expanding in Europe with cheaper, well equipped EVs. Combine that with growing macro uncertainty, political backlash toward Elon Musk in some regions, and an aging lineup, and the picture becomes more complicated for a company still priced like a hyper growth tech leader. Which brings us back to Michael Burry. The famed Big Short investor has repeatedly warned that Tesla's valuation assumes near flawless execution and uncontested dominance, conditions that look increasingly challenged. With NVIDIA now strengthening the tech backbone for rival autonomous platforms and BYD eating into Tesla's market share in Europe, Burry's skepticism suddenly feels a lot less contrarian than it once did. Bulls still argue Tesla's software, charging network, and branding advantage remain intact, and that the long term robotaxi vision is the real prize. But for now, the data suggests Tesla's throne is no longer unchallenged, and critics like Burry are watching the numbers stack up in their favor.
So Tesla is down 4.4% roughly. Okay, 62 million shares have crossed the tape. Its 50-day average is usually around 79.6 million shares. Okay, let's see what we have. Underlying trend still remains bullish. The extrapolation on this daily chart is indicating that it might inch up by towards, okay, lower prices may continue to print, okay, towards Thursday the 8th. And after that, it might, it may, lower prices are expected to continue to print towards the 15th of January. From the 16th, it might pick up a bounce. The 40-day moving average is also expected to provide a staunch resistance. In other words, between now and at least towards the 16th of January, it's expected that the stock is expected to, extrapolation is indicating that or suggesting that the stock is, may just trade within this tiny space here. So even though, yeah, if it bounces, this is where it's largely expected to trade within, not anywhere beyond it. It may, it may well continue to print lower prices, but not beyond this 40-day moving average. That's just an extrapolation. No guarantee that that will be the case. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken as well and stay stable up till Monday the 12th, when it's expected to pick up, which aligns with the bounce we that's suggested here from the 16th. Okay, projections on this daily chart are saying only 480.14 to the upside. Everything is a downward projection. On its weekly chart, projections go as high as 480, sorry, $600 or thereabouts. If we have a look at its 4-hour chart, we may find out that, let's see, yeah, it has picked up what looks like a bounce, and sideways movement is expected up till the pre-market session of Thursday the 4th. Okay, momentum expected to remain pretty much volatile until then. But let's see now. Let's apply the market grid. It's going to give us an indication of what could possibly happen. It should give us a range of possible prices. Okay, here we have a range. This is what some traders may be watching. We have between 440 and 421.54. It is at 432, so it is in between. It's in between the resistance and the supports with an upward trajectory. It may well go ahead and resume the uptrend and maybe test. Well, as it is now, it has the potential to retest 440. Yesterday it closed at 450, isn't it? Yeah, 455.88. So yeah, that's something that might happen. But at the same time, it also has the potential to reverse course and test the lows of around 421.54 and even lower than that. Let's see what the 1 hour chart is going to indicate. Here we have, yes, the trajectory is equally to the upside, and the extrapolation is saying that it might hold and even strengthen towards the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 7th. Okay, here we have the ranges between 434 and 427. It's currently at, this is where it is right now. It's now in the resistance zone. So high prices may continue to print, but at the same time, profit takers may also already considering taking, they're also already considering taking profits. So you have to balance that. It's a mix of things. Higher prices possible, profit taking is also possible, possibly going on right now, based on what is going on right now. Okay, if we return to the daily chart, let me try and see what the probabilities are saying. So the probability of it retesting 451.451.67, statistically higher than 50%. The probability of it retesting 461.72, equally statistically higher than 50%. We have this pivotal projection of 485, 480.14. If it closes above it, it might advance towards towards 485, 485.41. But let's see what the probability of it retesting for AK. Statistically less than 50% that it would reach there, but it has already done so. So the odds of it is not very high, but if it does it, then the chance of it retesting these highs might improve. Yes, chance of it printing. Would that be all-time highs or 52-week highs? Surely 52-week highs, but all-time highs, I'm really not sure. Maybe. Okay. As I indicated earlier on the weekly charts, we even have more ambitious projections. More ambitious projections. They have been in place for some time now, and they have the algo seems to be reiterating them. 536, 594, 631. Up to early May, what is expected is, I think I would say a distributive contraction is expected. So yeah, distributive contraction is expected from now till then. Yeah, so see what you make of Tesla stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.